Containers are white hot at the moment, especially Docker and Kubernetes. And in this course, Docker Deep Dive is everything you need to get on the path to container mastery. On the Docker front, you will go from zero to Docker in a single course. I mean, by the end, you'll be brimming with confidence and raring to go. Now, on the Kubernetes front, well, Docker and Kubernetes go together all the time. So you'll be primed and ready to crack on with Kubernetes if that's your plan. Anyway, I'm Nigel, I'm a Docker captain and a container addict, and I am really excited about the time we're about to spend together. You see, I'm confident you're about to give your career one of the biggest boosts it could ask for. Like I said, zero to Docker in a single course. So, that'll be all the theory and the practical. On the theory front, we'll get down with the fundamentals, namespaces, control groups, union file systems, all the jazz that underpins a modern container, and we'll cover Linux and Windows. We'll also get deep with images, containers, swarms and services, secrets, stacks, the whole shebang, no stone left unturned. But theory's theory, so we'll be backing everything up with loads of hands-on labs and exercises. And by the end, you'll be skilled up and ready to take your career onto the next level. As well, while it's not an exam cram course, it will cover most of what you need to pass the Docker Certified Associate exam. Man, I'm excited. So yeah, let's buckle up and let's do some serious Docker.